Hi, Hamish Conway here, former Ernst & Young Entrepreneur of the Year and accounting firm owner in Wellington. People often ask me, should I take drawings or should I pay myself wages? And again, there's a bit of a depends here, but let's look at some of the pros and cons. Taking drawings from your business means that you defer paying tax. So from a cash flow point of view, if things are a bit tight early on, you might want to defer that. So pay yourself in drawings, but at the end of the year, you'll have to pay yourself a wage to clear that current account, and then there'll be tax to pay on that. So you need to pay that tax, and plus then you'll have provisional tax to pay in the following year. So it sort of, while it defers it, you get a bit of a double whammy at that time. Also on drawings, it is a debt that you owe the company. So essentially you're borrowing from the company, and there's interest. So and that interest is earned by the company, so then you have to pay tax on that interest that is earned. So that's one other downside. Also, if you're going to sell the company, or if the company runs into serious financial trouble and has to be liquidated or goes to the receivers, then you're up for paying that money back. So that's really the downsides on it. The big upside is that it really defers your tax and it just makes it easier from that perspective, but you do need to pay the tax. So if you look on the other side though, with paying yourself a wage, often you might not know exactly how much you're going to be earning, so it's hard to have a set amount, but I'd encourage you to have a set amount, even if it's $5,000 a month, that you're doing through PAYE, and paying it along the way is just an easier thing to do. So if you're not as organised, or you find it hard to get your hands on a big lump of money later, then do this, because it will save you certainly a lot of hassles, and you can always pay yourself more as a shareholder salary at the end to clear out any other drawings you might have taken. So there's pros and cons for both, but certainly if you're going to take drawings, just make sure you don't let that get out of hand, because I've had some horror stories there where people, current accounts are blown out big time in interest, and then one in receivership is now having to deal with those consequences. So keep it in check, and pay yourself where you can, but it's really managing your tax as best as you can, and that's where you need to talk to a good accountant who can give you the right advice for your specific situation. So what I'd like you to do now is to go to bestaccountantswellington.co.nz, where you find some more useful videos and information and reports that will help you in your business. So thank you, and have a great day.